Continuing with our arithmetic progression, chapter number 3. Formula for finding the n terms. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So we have now question number 7th. The 11th term and the 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Find the 41st term of that AP. Now what is given to us? What is given to us? We have been given 11th term, that is T11 is given to us. T11 is equal to 16 and T21st term is given as 29. Okay. We have to find the 41st term. To find T41. Formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Therefore T11 is equal to a plus 11 minus 1 d. T11 कितना दिया हुआ है 16 is equal to a plus 10 d. A plus 10 d. Then we have T29 is equal to a plus 29 minus 1 d. A plus 29 minus 1 d. We have T29 is given as T21. T21 is equal to T21 minus 1 d. T21 is given as 29 a plus 20 d. Fine. Now T11 was 16, T21 was 29. We got two formulas. A plus 10d is equal to 16, A plus 20d is equal to 29. Okay. Is something familiar coming to you here? Okay. Is something familiar coming to you here? You can see we have the equation number 1 and equation number 2 are related to each other by linear equation with two variables. Are related to each other by linear equation with two variables. हम माइनस करते हैं उसको. Okay. A can be eliminated subtracting equation number 1 from 2. Subtracting equation number 1 from 2. This is a plus 20d is equal to 29 and a plus 10d is equal to 16. Minus minus minus. You are left with 10d is equal to 15. 10d is equal to 15. 13. 10d is equal to 13. Therefore, d is equal to 13 upon 10. Let me check the sum. 13 upon 10. Therefore, d is equal to 1.3. Okay. कॉमन डिफरेंस आपका 1.3 आया है. फाइन. अब आप ए फाइंड आउट करो सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग d is equal to 1.3 in any equation you want. 10 के इक्वेशन में करो तो ज़्यादा बेटर है. इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1 substituting d is equal to 1.3 in equation number 1, you get 6a plus 10 into 1.3 is equal to 16. Is equal to 16. So you have a plus 13 is equal to 16. A is equal to 13 minus 16. A is equal to 16 minus 13. Therefore A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. यहाँ पे आपको D मिला था. Okay. 1.3 and here A is equal to 3. You have to find out T41. Therefore T41 is equal to A 3 plus 41 minus 1 and D was 1.3. 3 plus 41 minus 1 into 1.3 is equal to 3 plus 40 into 1.3. This will give you 3 plus 13 into 4. 1.3 आपका 10 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, 13 हो जाएगा, 13 into 4. This is equal to 3 plus 52. Therefore T41 is equal to 55. Therefore T41 is equal to 55. Fine. Similar sum is there in your problem set. You can work that out also. Same exercise. Question number 10. In an AP, 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. Okay. What is given to you? What is given to you? फॉर्मूला सॉल्यूशन के हिसाब से आपको पहले लिख लेते हैं फॉर्मूला. टी एन इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 डी. T17 is equal to a plus 17 minus 1d. This is equal to a plus 16d. You got T17. Then you have 10th term. T10 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1d. This is equal to a plus 9d. This is equal to a plus 9d. Now what is given to you? What is given to you? It is given that the 17th term is 7 more. 17th term जो है T17 जो है T10 से 7 से ज्यादा है. मतलब T17 minus T10 is equal to 7. This is what is given to you. Fine. So what is given? T17. Now T17 minus T10 is equal to 7. This is given to you. The 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. The 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. So you have a plus 16d minus a plus into bracket 9d is equal to 7 is equal to 7. You have a plus 16d minus a minus 9d is equal to 7. Your a gets cut. 16d minus 9d is equal to 7d is equal to 7. Therefore d is equal to 7 upon 7, that is 1. Therefore the common difference is 1. Therefore the common difference is 1. Now coming to the problem set sum. Problem set number 3. Question number 2, page number 78. What is given? Find the fourth term from the end in an AP. Find the fourth term from the end in an AP. What is the AP? Given AP is given AP minus 11 minus 8 minus 5 hash 49. This is the given AP. What we'll do, we'll try to find out the common difference. Here T1 is equal to minus 11, T2 is equal to minus 8. Therefore common difference here D is equal to T2 minus T1. This is equal to minus 8 minus 11. This will be minus 8 plus 11. This will give you as 3. तो कॉमन डिफरेंस आपका 3 मिल जाता है. D is equal to 3. Then 49 is Tn. अब हमारे पास क्या हो गया? Now we have A is equal to minus 11, D is equal to 3 and Tn, the last term is equal to 49. The last term is equal to 49. हम नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Tn, we write again the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. 49 is equal to minus 11 plus n minus 1 3. You have 49 is equal to minus 11 plus 3n minus 3. 49 is equal to 3n minus 14. दोनों को हमने साथ में ले लिया. minus 11 minus 3 will give you minus 14. Okay. Therefore 3n साइड चेंज कर देते हैं. 3n is equal to 49 plus 14. 3n is equal to 63. Therefore n is equal to 63 upon 3. Therefore n is equal to 21. n is equal to 21. Now n का वैल्यू 21 आया, मतलब देयर आर 21 टर्म्स इन एन एपी. और हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करने का? फाइंड द फोर्थ टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड. फाइंड द फोर्थ टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड. ओके, तो 21st टर्म 49 था. ओके, 21st टर्म 49 था. ये आपका T21 है. आपको कहीं ना कहीं दिस आपको T20, T19 और T18 आपको फोर्थ टर्म लेना है यहां से. ओके, तो आप ये 21st टर्म है, ये 28th टर्म है, ये 19 टर्म है, ये 18 टर्म है. तो आपको फोर्थ टर्म अगर लेना है तो you will have to take the 18th term. You will have to take the 18th term. Therefore, now T21 is equal to 49. Therefore, fourth term from the last will be T18. Therefore T18 is equal to, you have to use the formula. अब आपको कॉमन डिफरेंस मिल गया 3, तो आप 3 माइनस करके 2 बार 3 बार माइनस करके आप आंसर दोगे. आंसर सही आएगा, बट दैट मेथड विल बी रॉन्ग. तो आपको T18 इज इक्वल टू ए क्या है -11 प्लस 18 -1, कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 3, -11 plus 17 into 3, this is equal to -11 plus 51. This will give you as T18 will give you as 40. Therefore 18 term will be 40. आपको अगर चेक करना है तो आप बोलोगे T21, अगर ये आपके चेकिंग के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, दिस इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन. आपका T21 49 है, तो T20 आपका 3 कम करोगे 46 होगा. T19 आप और 3 कम करोगे 43 होगा. T18 और 3 कम करोगे 40 होगा. Therefore the fourth term from the end will be 40. It was a word problem, so better write the sentence again. Therefore fourth term from the end will be 40 for the given AP.